Oh, hello there, fancy seeing you here. I'm very glad you are, because today I'm going to show you this brilliant little Hyundai i10. Now these cars are perfect for first-time drivers, and this one is in the best condition I've ever seen for a 2010 plate. It is very, very well looked after. And in this video, I'm going to show you all around it so you can see what to expect when you come here to the brilliant Clever Car Collection to take it for a test drive. Let's take a look. Now, I was not kidding when I say this is the best condition i10 I've seen of this age for a long time. This is a one owner car. It's got just over 33,000 miles and it has been incredibly well looked after. It's got 13 stamps in the service book. It's got some really nice extras like these alloy wheels, and it is in beautiful condition. There are hardly any marks on it. I bought this from a lovely couple in Gosport. They've owned it since new, and she has had it garaged ever since she got it, and you can tell it is lovely. Anyway, let's have a close-up look. It's got the 1.2 litre petrol engine, 5-speed manual gearbox, does 57 miles to the gallon on the combined cycle with 77 brake horsepower. Road tax is just £35, and its insurance group 11E. A perfect first-time driver's car, this. It's got things like these front fog lamps. No marks I can see at all on the front end of this. I don't think this car has ever been on a motorway. Beautiful condition there. Alloy wheels in good condition, plenty of tread on the tyres. Walking down the driver's side is a 5-door, so if you're taking your mates out, lots easy for them to get in the back, and loads of room. I actually don't think anybody has ever sat in the back. This alloy wheel, all looking good too. Carrying on round the back, nothing sticks out at all. It's actually got a decent sized boot, this. Parcel shelf is in place. You'll see the pictures on our website. I'll show you how big that is with a box, which will give you an idea of how big it is. Coming down the passenger side, this alloy wheel, again, beautiful condition. No marks, no parking dings that I can see at all. And this alloy wheel looking good too. No marks on the windscreen. The wing mirrors on both sides are untouched. Obviously a good parker in her garage, and the roof all looking good too. Right, let's jump inside. Right, jumping inside, you can see there we have got 2 keys. It comes with remote central lock in this car. I'm just going to start it up, show you there are no warning lights. It's got lovely cold air conditioning, as you can see there. We've got a radio with FM, AM. You've got a CD player at the top there, so you can listen to Gary Barlow. You've got aux-in, and it's a nice, easy, functional system. Very, very easy to use. Steering wheel, no distractions on this whatsoever. You've got electric windows all round, all 4 windows, and electric mirrors. And as you can see on the dash, 33,138 miles. No warning lights, just the handbrake. And me not wearing a seatbelt. 5-speed manual. You've got a 12-volt power socket there, and down here you've got a cup holder, little thing to keep your trinkets in, and some more space down here. And as you can see, the interior is in beautiful condition. And down there, glove box with the original manuals. Right, let's have a look at the history. Right, service history wise, this car has been very well looked after. It has got stamps in the book for 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 24 and 25 by our mechanic. We've got a Korean car specialist that we use. They've checked this car over, given it a pre-delivery safety inspection and given it a service. Next steps for this car is a new 12-month MOT, which will be complete in time for delivery to yourself. Now, we offer nationwide delivery for all of our cars. If you're interested in that, please get in touch with us for a quote. And while you're online, please check out our reviews on Auto Trader and Google. We're very proud of being a 5-star award-winning dealership here at the Clever Car Collection, and that starts with giving people like you the best service. Right, if you'd like to give this car a test drive, I'm James. Email address is james@clevercarcollection.com, and you can see lots of pictures of this car on our website. It's clevercarcollection.com. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this has been useful, and I look forward to showing you this brilliant little city car very soon. Goodbye.